And United Airlines sparking outrage for refusing to let girls on a plane, all because they were wearing leggings. A gate attendants in Denver making the call, saying that the teenagers were what's called pass travelers, using free tickets for employees and family members, and that violated the dress code. Another passenger calling out the airline on Twitter, launching a social media firestorm.
It sounds like a very gender-based policy that, men can wear shorts, but women can't, or girls can't wear leggings. It sexualizes young girls to make them feel like what they're wearing is inappropriate.
And United standing behind the decision, saying that buddy pass travelers need to dress nicer than normal because they're representing the company.